What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am finally here in YouTube about to tell you some things that I learned to achieve this video quality. My name is Janine and this is Self-Redefined. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video if you find it helpful, and it will be helping with my YouTube algorithm. So I'm really just experimenting on my camera and testing. I really wanted that blurry background. Whoa. Very nice, sharp, on me focused look. In today's video, I will be sharing with you the factors or the settings that you need to do to be able to achieve this video quality. The camera I'm actually using is the Canon Rebel T3i, and the lens is the 55mm with an f/1.8. For you to create a blurry background, you need to set your camera to these settings. The first one and the most asked is how far am I really from my camera? Okay. I'm about 6 feet away. With that distance being said, this is how far 6 feet away is from the camera. I can barely see what's on the lens, so I highly recommend downloading the EOS utility app in the Canon website. The link is in the description down below. Now for this, I invested in a USB extension, and this is the AV output plug or cord for your camera. You first have to press the record button, and then assuming that you have downloaded the app successfully, you just click on camera settings and remote shooting, and then up here, live view shoot. And there you have it. You could take photos for your thumbnail by just pressing this. Basically uses your laptop as a monitor for your camera, so you can preview yourself. The second thing is setting your aperture to create a low depth of field, which means a blurry background. How to set your depth of field. So you have to click on info first, hold and press AV, and there's a dial up here, and you just dial it to the left until it goes down to 1.8. The next thing that you have to set is ISO. I have it set to 100. And what ISO means is simply sensitivity to light of the lens and how much light is enabled to go through. The lower the ISO, the higher quality or lower noise your video will come out or your picture will come out. And the higher the higher ISO will create a lot of noise or pixelation. I would just click the ISO button, click, and you usually want it at the base, which is the 100 or whatever lowest ISO setting you have in your camera, and boom. This usually works when there is a lot of light in the room. The next thing is setting your shutter speed. Your shutter speed should be at 50 to 80. And the last thing